Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DWT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, another crazy day on this one, and the uptrend continues, but I know a lot of eyeballs are on it, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance as we head into next week. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $7.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $7.60, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 760 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Well, very straightforward at this point. Selling pressure definitely showed up, and I get it. Selling pressure, that those are just words, right? That's just a phrase. But that's why I love charts, because they allow you to take words and phrases and make them more visual. So when I say selling pressure, what I mean by that is being denoted in technical jargon as this trend line right here that has formed, this downtrending trend line. So very clearly, sellers showed up from pretty much late morning throughout the course of the day. Now, that doesn't mean that the entire chart's going to collapse or anything like that. My point is that, there's definitely sellers that showed up, and that's all represented by that trend line. But if the price can work its way back to that trend line and get a high volume break of it, well, then at that point, it's got a great chance to get up to 850 and beyond. So we'll see what happens with it. But all in all, beautiful uptrend, and we'll see if the next week can be more of higher highs and higher lows. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.